Are you unhappy with your current job? Do you want a career where you can engage with people on the daily and help them solve their problems? Becoming a licensed insurance agent will allow you to do just that. It's a fulfilling career, but how do you start? How does a person acquire an insurance agent license? Let's discuss it. Each state has different rules for earning an insurance agent license, but there are a few shared requirements across most states. Here is a list of a few requirements you must meet before obtaining a license. You must be 18 years or older to get a life and health insurance license. You must pass a licensing exam to prove that you know the products you are selling and can accurately assist the public. Spend time studying the ins and outs of health and life insurance and what the regulations are. And just a quick side note, in many states, the studying portion is done on a self-study basis. In some states, there are mandatory pre-exam classes that you'll need to take. These classes vary in the number of hours required, so you'll need to do some research on what is considered standard in your state. Now, back to the requirements. Once you pass your exam, you must submit a license application to your state insurance department, along with a processing payment. It currently costs $50 to submit a license application in the state of Texas, but it could be more or less depending on where you live. Usually, states administer background checks on applicants. The process could involve fingerprinting as well. Make sure to check your state's requirements to comply with the official background check procedure. While your life and health license only applies in your resident state, it is possible to get a non-residential license so you can turn out-of-state prospects into customers. Each state's licensing department will instruct you on any additional exams to take or any fees to pay before working in their jurisdiction. But before you start imagining taking 50 different insurance exams, hold on. Most states provide mutual agreements for individuals already licensed in their resident state. These agreements may allow you to sidestep taking more exams, but you still must pay an application fee for your non-residential license. Additional classes and background checks may also be required, so keep that in mind. Empower Brokerage can help you tackle all these steps and get you licensed. About every 6 weeks, Empower offers a free 2-day online course that will prepare you for your state licensing exam. Some states accept this training as the fulfillment of the required pre-licensing education hours too, so that's 2 birds with 1 stone. Attendees describe the course as engaging and helpful, and most who take the test pass it on their very first try. If you want to sign up for our licensing class, you can visit our website, link in the description, or call 888-539-1633 for more information. And as always, if you're interested in empowering yourself and taking control of your situation, subscribe to our channel to put more health, life, and financial tips on your radar. Thanks, everyone.